Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have some entries from, I think her name is Paola Gomez. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, hun. So I received 2 entries from you. I'm not sure why, so we're going to open it and see. So, why do I always have a hard time doing this? Okay, hold on one sec, guys. I don't want to show her address. I still can't get it out. Okay. So it says, all things are possible if you believe. This is so cute. Dear Gigi, may all of your days be full of love, laughter, and health. Happy birthday, Chica Chatz, Paola. Oh, okay. Yes, Chica Chatz. Okay. Hi, hun. Thank you. I love the card. It's so cute. Yes, you comment on my stuff. I didn't know your name. And then I received this one like a day or so later. Okay, YouTube and IG paper craft secrets. Is this a different person? Hold on. No, it's the same person. So it says best wishes. Gigi, I pray for things. Love, health, happiness, and harmony for your life. Happy birthday, Chica Chatz. Thank you. You're so super sweet. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for entering. Guys, I hope that y'all enter if you haven't. Thank you. Love you guys. And thank you, Paola, Chica Chatz. Bye.